Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Cityscape located on NH66 Maradu, Kochi. Whether you're planning to buy your dream home or looking for a property with strong long-term value, then this project has a lot to offer. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, its location, amenities, apartment configuration, pricing, and why it's worth considering. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Prestige Cityscape is a thoughtfully planned residential project spread across 1.64 acres. So one of the biggest highlight here is that there are only 102 exclusive apartments, which means a more private and peaceful living experience compared to large townships. The project features a single elegant tower with a ground plus 17 floors offering spacious 3 BHK residences designed with a modern layout, excellent ventilation and plenty of natural light. Like every prestige project, you will also find quality construction, premium finishes, and contemporary architecture throughout the development. The best part is that Prestige Cityscape is ready to occupy, so there is no waiting period. You can move into your new home as soon as the purchase process is complete. So now let's talk about the project location. So the project enjoys a prime address on NH66 Maradu, one of the Kochi's well-connected residential corridor. From here, you can easily access major commercial hubs, IT parks, schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and other important destinations across the city. So excellent road connectivity makes daily commuting smooth and convenient, while the peaceful neighborhood adds to the overall living experience. It's a location that's ideal not just for an end users but also for buyers looking at long-term appreciation. Coming to the lifestyle amenities, so Prestige Cityscape has everything you would expect from a premium residential community. Residents get access to a modern clubhouse, a fully equipped fitness center, landscape open spaces, a children play area, and these amenities are designed to make everyday living more comfortable, secure, and enjoyable for the entire family. Now, talking about the apartment configuration, so Prestige Cityscape offers spacious 3 BHK residences with a carpet area of around 1,751 square feet, and the starting price is approximately 1.8 crore rupees onwards. The homes have been planned to maximize space, natural light, and ventilation, making them ideal for modern families who want both comfort and functionality. Another major advantage is that this is ready to occupy project, so buyers don't have to wait for construction to finish, and if you are planning for immediate possession, this is definitely a big plus. Overall, Prestige Cityscape brings together a prime NH66 location, spacious home, premium amenities, limited residences, and the trusted legacy of Prestige Group. Whether you are buying a home to live in or as a long-term investment, it's a perfect project that's definitely worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.